In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your availability in Calendly. If you've ever found yourself struggling to manage your schedule or want to make changes to your availability on the go, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it. Once you've logged into your Calendly account, you'll be greeted with an interface designed to help you manage your time effectively. You'll start by looking to the left side of your screen, where you'll notice the menu options. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Availability. This tab is your gateway to viewing and adjusting your schedule as per your needs. Upon clicking, you'll find a weekly layout of your current availability. This schedule not only reflects your preferred meeting times, but is also linked to any connected calendar apps you might be using. It ensures that your availability is accurately reflected across all platforms that sync with Calendly. Now, let's get into how you can make precise adjustments. If there is a specific schedule slot where you find yourself unavailable or need to take a break, you can easily remove it by clicking the X sign that appears next to the time slot. On the flip side, if you become available for a new time slot or wish to add more hours to your schedule, simply hit the plus sign to insert those slots into your calendar. Moreover, should there be a need to adjust your hours for specific days, this is also conveniently accessible. Look towards the corner of your screen where you can select specific days requiring custom hours. Calendly allows you to assign time slots on those specific dates, making your time management both flexible and efficient. Once you've selected the dates you wish to modify, review everything to make sure it matches your desired schedule. After you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Apply to finalize. Your updated availability will now be active for others to see and schedule meetings with you according to the new slots you've set. And with that, you're all set. You've learned how to efficiently edit and manage your availability within Calendly, ensuring that your scheduling process is as streamlined and stress-free as possible. With these tools at your disposal, maintaining control over your time has never been easier. I hope this guide helps make your scheduling hassle-free and keeps your calendar organized, while also allowing you the freedom to make adjustments when necessary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become a Calendly pro in no time.